Morning everyone. Today we'll discuss about the NABOSH element part 2. Okay, element 2 part 2, which is related to the PDCA cycle. PDCA cycle, which covers the plan. P covers the planning, how you have to plan yourself related to the workplace safety. What are the guidelines over there which you need to put on your workplace? Okay, that calls planning. Then do means how the workers are working with proper standard operating procedures, whether they are following, whether they go with the checklist. Okay, all the checklists which you put on your workplace. So workers which while working they have to go with the proper standard operating procedures with the checklist. You need to follow each and every related to the checkings of the machineries, checkings of the equipments, and then you need to work. So that comes under do. So planning, then do, then you have to check. So for checking you need to go with the, you have to go for the inspection purpose. You have to go for the inspection purpose. That also comes under PDCA cycle. Okay, PDCA cycle management of the PDCA cycle you can say. So that you need to plan, do, then check, and then you have to again take action. How the workers are working, whether there are some new rules and regulations you need to put over there, or you can work with the normal procedures earlier which you apply over there. So that the things which we'll cover in this video. Okay, PDCA cycle, that covers element 2, NABOSH part 2 as well. Understood? So these are the things. So health and safety management system which works on the PDCA cycle. PDCA cycle, that calls PDCA, plan, do, check, act. Okay, plan to set your aims and objectives. You have to set your aims and objectives, and then how to achieve them. Then you have to plan to achieve all the aims and objectives related to the workplace or related to the policies, safety policies. Okay, rules and regulations and other things as well. That covers in the planning. Then do, you have to put your plan into the effect, and also you need to implement them. How the workers are working, whether they are following all the rules and regulations, they are implementing all safety cultures. Okay, then check, so monitor your performance towards the aim and objective that you set yourself towards your workplace. Okay, and then action, you need to take action. You have to go with the audit, reviews. Okay, audit and inspections, that is very important, and then you have to reevaluate. And again you need to put some enforcement action. Put some enforcement actions if they are not following the proper rules and regulations, like non-compliance and all. NC, you have to give NC, you have to give observation. Okay, that you need to go. Audit is very important for inspection. Once you're done with the inspections and all, then you have to give the your report as well. So that comes under actions. Routinely review progress and check what you are doing, it looks like, and what you are missing, your targets. So these are the things which covers in PDCA cycle, plan, do, check, act. Continuously the whole cycle goes on your workplace. So you need to implement so many things related to the PDCA cycle. That's it.